showing you in this video? Not us packing the parcels, but we are repotting a tree. And this is what we call serious repotting. Repotting using a digger. Improving the nibari. Same old soil, it's not too bad. Jack, can you take the lop and lop that one off for me? That one. Can you see that? That one. Yeah. Okay. Cut off. Okay. So it's not too pot bound, it's lots of fibrous roots. We will use the same soil again, I guess. Okay, so have you got a little shovel or something? Or a spade? Spade will do. Oh, you're putting it on that spade. What about those black pallets?
No, they've all got marker pots on them.
Not to. We'll use some cocks. What ones with cocks? Use a few pot cocks.
There's Padlock, resident hippie.
Let's bring it a bit nearer, Pat.
What, the tree?
I don't want to top the pallet so that I don't spill mud on the ground.
Is it worth dragging sheet with the mud on it over first?
Oh, no.
Then there'll be lots of room.
It's gonna.
Okay.
Chala. So we didn't take a lot of root off. That's all the root we've got out from the tree, and the roots are pretty good. So we just put a bit of soil, a little more, Jack, please. Mound it a bit, mound it in the center. Okay.
That's better.
Mound a little more. Okay, now we can move the tree over. Jack? Oh, Steve, you're going to operate the thing. Okay?
Rather you did it, Jack.
looks smaller with mud, which is quite good soil. How come we ended with so much extra soil? I suppose that round bucket was very big. It came in a round, I think, barrel, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a cast.
Oak cast.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need a wheelbarrow to take away all this extra soil. Fine.
Oh, Peter, you didn't tie it in.
No, the weight doesn't need time. I think maybe easier to lift the parrot with the strap. What do you think, Steve?
I can lay money that somebody
Huh?
will say, you didn't
Parrot
tie it
is
in.
okay. All right, do it all over again.
Oh, we've got a pump truck just behind you. Move it on that thing.
Okay, let's clear this up.
You got a wheelbarrow?
Maybe a bit too fast, Steve. A foot forward. Little more, 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 little more. Stop. That is serious repotting. Repotting using a digger.